But the Golden State Warriors are already starting to work with the women who will make up the official Warrior Girls squad this year. The final auditions are tonight. Tomorrow, the team will announce the 14 winners. As Bonnie Kay reports, it all started this past weekend with more than 200 dancers.
134.
This year was the largest turnout ever, as over 200 dancers showed up at the College of Alameda to strut their stuff in hopes of becoming a Golden State Warrior girl. Former Laker girl Lori Ryan is this year's dance team coordinator and director and is looking for a few good women with some very special qualifications.
Well, it's actually of course they have to be great dancers. We're also looking for girls that really have a lot of presence when they're down on the court. Plus, the Warriors use them a lot in the community, going out kind of ambassadors of the Warriors, basically. So they need to be able to speak well and get along well with people.
Well, what's in it for the girls?
It was a lot of fun, and working with the crowd and just performing in front of the crowd is just a real experience that somebody just has to experience. It's energetic, you love it, you just fall in love with the applause. It's something that gives you the feeling that you can go out and do any job. It gives you that much confidence.
After 8 grueling hours of tryouts and so many talented dancers, what will separate the 14 finalists from the rest of the pack? There'll have to be that something special in their personality, that smile, that energy, that attitude that lets the judges know that they've got what it takes to be a Warrior girl. In Alameda, Bonnie Kay for the 10 o'clock news.
And then we'll tell you who the winners are tomorrow night.
Surprised they didn't call me to judge that.
I'm surprised they didn't.
I'm kind of an expert on that sort of thing, or self-proclaimed expert anyway.
Well, could you stand all the excitement in the 49er game?
Boy, Niners got real lucky.